Bitherm SmartWatchWeb is an advanced steam and energy intelligence platform designed to help industrial facilities improve reliability, reduce energy losses, and support sustainability goals. Through a centralized environment, maintenance and operations teams gain real-time visibility into the condition and performance of their steam systems. From asset monitoring and wireless connectivity to operational reporting and energy analysis, SmartWatchWeb transforms industrial data into actionable insights. By providing the information needed to identify issues, prioritize maintenance activities, and quantify energy and environmental impact, organizations can improve efficiency, reduce losses, and accelerate sustainability initiatives. The platform also integrates manual inspection data collected using the Bitherm LeakTector 4 inspection tool, providing a unified view of both monitored and non-monitored steam traps. Additional utilities, including steam engineering calculators and unit conversion tools, help users perform everyday technical tasks more efficiently. For more information, visit www.bitherm.com.